Madam Chair, the impeachment of a sitting constitutional officer is among the gravest acts this House can perform. It must rest on a foundation of truth, verified, corroborated, and credible truth. A written account from a detained suspect containing sweeping and unverified allegations of
You are
assassination.
touching again on the credibility of the resource person. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.
Madam Chair, I move to strike off from the records the remarks of Representative Marcoleta
There is a
pertaining to the
motion to
credibility
strike
of the
out from
witness.
the record pertaining to the statements pertaining to the credibility of the witness. Is there any second? Same has been seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Please strike out from the record all statements of the Honorable Marcoleta pertaining to the credibility of resource person Ramil Madriaga.
I, Ramil L. Madriaga of legal age, Filipino and with address at care of Annex 2 BJMP Camp Bagong Diwa, Taguig City, after having been duly sworn in accordance with law, do hereby state 1. I am currently a detainee at Camp Bagong Diwa, Taguig City for charges of kidnapping, criminal case number RMNL-22-05157-CR and R-MNL-22-05158 pending before the Regional Trial Court, Branch 21, RTC Manila. A printout of the Facebook post dated September 29, 2021 is here to attach.
May I know what's happening to you, Mr. Madriaga? You seem to be crying. Are you crying?
I just remember one moment.
Are you crying? You are nearly crying. May I just put it on record that while reading these portions of the affidavit, the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is breaking into tears. Can we go back to where you felt frustrated and you're nearly crying? Which part of your affidavit is that? Can we go back to that?
Number 46 po, Madam Chair.
Number 46. Let's go back to number 46. Would you like to say something about why you are crying on this part of the affidavit?
Malungkot lang po. Malungkot lang po.
Malungkot. Okay, please proceed.